Welcome back to ClearTask. If you have ever hit a paywall on Patreon and wanted to see a blurred post from your favorite creator, today I will show you a simple browser trick to bypass it. This method takes less than a minute and does not require any third-party extensions. It works primarily for text and image-based posts by disabling the site script that blurs the content on your screen. Let's get straight into it. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. On the left-hand menu, click on Privacy and Security. Then in the main menu, click on Site Settings. Scroll down to the Content section and click on JavaScript. You do not want to disable JavaScript for your entire browser, as that will break other websites. Instead, we are going to create a specific rule just for Patreon. Scroll down to the section that says Not Allowed to Use JavaScript. Click the Add button next to it. A small window will pop up. Type in exactly this: www.patreon.com. Then click Add again. And that is it for the setup. Now go back to the Patreon page with the locked post and refresh your browser. Because the site can no longer load the JavaScript that hides the content, the text and images should now be fully visible. Keep in mind that Patreon frequently updates its platform. While this workaround is great for native text and images, it might not unlock content hosted on external platforms like private embedded videos, because those rely on different security checks. If this quick tip helped you out, drop a like and make sure to subscribe to ClearTask for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. See you in the next video.